What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're working on this manufactured home. We are going to be installing a new downflow furnace heat pump with electric backup strips. You see there, that's the existing ductwork right there. They are completely gutting out everything in this place, as you can tell, or almost everything. The ductwork looks in really good shape. It's your typical stuff, and I don't think I have a single video on this on the channel because they're not super common. Although recently they have become common to us. Particularly, we get a lot of now customers who are putting AC in their manufactured homes. So from here, we did not do the demo or anything. That was not included in the quote, and you could tell that he had a gas furnace here at some point, but that's obviously been canceled now or not being planned to use because they wanted to go with a heat pump with backup strips, which does use more electricity, obviously. But if you're in, the countryside and all you have is propane, it is, in my opinion, still cheaper than propane. So, okay, plus heat pumps go a long way now. Most of them can heat all the way down to typically 36, 38 degrees or even better. And then at that point, you can switch over to the heat strip. So let's go ahead and get to it. Again, this is not a DIY. This is just more for demo purposes. All right. So we'll go ahead and get to it. Okay, we got David putting on the hazmat suit on. Hey, he's about to get under the manufactured home, and I'm going to hand him the line set and feed it to him. And then when he's close enough and he's got plenty of slack, I'll go inside and I'll pull it to the inside. So that's what's next. Typically, we have the little guy do it, but he's not around today, so we just have to do it ourselves. All right, bro, you comfy down there or what?
Yeah.
You ready? All right, let's do it. Let's do it. All right. Let's feed him. Alrighty, y'all, so we are wrapping up here, just getting a little bit of readings as far as temperature and subcooling and superheat on the outdoor unit, but we're pretty much done with this inside part. Overall, relatively easy. I do give a little bit of clearance here, and I don't strap it down or tie it down tight just yet, because the guys want a little bit of wiggle room in here for the drywall. So we'll strap it down later on, where it can be really, really snug. But that's pretty much it. gets it installed, they're gonna put their drywall in. Don't ask me why we came in here before the drywall, guys. That's not typically how it goes, but we were kind of just told to go ahead and do that, and we were happy to do so. I know that they're going to struggle more now to do the rest, but you know, that's what the GC wanted. So put in a stat right here, Honeywell T6. It's pretty warm in here right now, and I got my little probe in there. Let's see. So now we'll go look at the outdoor unit. Okay, and here is the outdoor unit. We're all done. New pad, new heat pump. This is going to be a dual fuel with so it's a heat pump with heat strips, right? We got our disconnect box, and we did run a new line set. So once that little thing dries there, that foam we put on there, we can kind of carve it off and then paint over that. But we'll let that kind of cure for a little bit. That's pretty much it, y'all. As always, thanks for watching, and we will see y'all on the next one. Peace out.